Hey y'all, N4H&H here with a short for the Kenwood TS-890S and the Kenwood SP-890. So the covers you see there just arrived from JSE Repair. They have a website where you can order various covers. And you see the FTDX10 cover, got that from them. And I've got covers, there's a cover over there from AL80B. I've got covers for the Elecraft, as well as covers for the a cover for the FTDX 5000 MP. So this one, I ordered it. They offer the option to have a cutout, so you can leave your headphones plugged in, your microphone. Oh, let me get the camera on it. There we go. So kind of cool. Keep the dust out when you're going to be down for a while. JSE Repair. Like it. Not advertising for them. They don't pay me to say it. Just want to tell you where I got it.